How to create a landing page on HubSpot. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own landing page on HubSpot. Although it is not one of the primary tools that you think of whenever you think about building landing pages or websites, HubSpot can serve as a great way for you to create a simple landing page for your project, business, or company. So let's get started with HubSpot. To get started, simply head on over to HubSpot and click on Get Started for free. You're going to sign up with your email address or you can proceed with Google. This just depends on your personal preference on how you want to sign up. After that, so we're just going to log on to our account over here, and I'm just going to sign into my account that I just created. And once we do that, we are going to set up our CRM. Now, it's not necessary for you to set up your entire CRM just to build your own landing page, but I would definitely recommend that if you are using HubSpot to check out its full potential, because HubSpot can help you in streamlining everything in a really efficient way. So, we're going to first set up our account, and you have to choose what type of industry you are in. Let's say that we are in marketing and advertising, and I am the owner, and then we can add our company name. And after that, we're going to click on next, and then we're going to add our company size. Now, after that, we're going to add our company website. So we're just going to go on ahead and add our Shopify store, or I'll just add this website for now. And after that, you're going to enter your data. So we're going to click on next over here. And once we've done that, our account will be created and we can proceed with the next step of building our landing page. So you're going to answer a couple more questions about how you want to proceed. And we're just going to add our contact ourselves, and we can just skip these parts because you can do all of this later as well. Now, in HubSpot, it's primarily built for your CRM, and it's a really great CRM manager, I have to say that, because it allows you to keep everything really simple and make everything very intuitive while you are still able to build some high quality features. So, on the left, you will have workspaces where you can create a prospecting section. This allows you to see some activity in your feed, and then you have your basic CRM features, including things like contacts, companies, deals, tickets, inboxing lists, and calls. What we're looking for is going to be under marketing, and in marketing, you have campaigns, email, social, ads, form. Then you have your content, and this is your marketing content where you have the ability to create website pages, landing pages, and even blogs. So we're going to go into content, and then we're going to go into landing pages. And once we do that, we're going to click on Start from Scratch to build our first landing page. Now, by default, it's going to give you your own landing page name. It's going to be a .hubspotpagebuilder.com domain. Keep in mind that if you want to change this default domain, you do have to purchase a premium version of HubSpot. I am going to rename this as my agency ad, and then I'm just going to click on Create Page to build my first landing page. Now, once we have done that, HubSpot gives you a wide array of templates to view. You can click on View Themes in the marketplace to view them, or you can even search or install your own theme from the theme forest. I'm going to click on View Themes in Marketplace, and you will see there are free as well as premium themes available. They are completely customizable. You can really use anything that you personally like. I think I want to go with something that is simple, and I'm gonna go and search for only free themes. And we have an interactive theme, the Quest theme, Infinity, Apex, the Spark theme. I think I like this one over here, so I'm just going to click on Preview, and we can preview the theme, and I'm just going to click on View Details and click on Install, and I'm going to install this complete theme. It might take a couple of seconds for the installation to be completed, but once you have done that, you have two options. You can set it as your active theme and start building your site, or set it as your theme and edit the theme settings. I want to set it as my theme site and just start editing the pages. Now, once we do that, we can go to our branding settings. We're going to have to add a new brand kit, which is going to be our Spencer brand kit. And we're just going to click on Spencer. We can add a logo, and this is going to be our Spencer logo. We're going to link it to this domain, and we're going to upload a image that we created. After that, you can also add favicons. I'm just going to save this, and then I'm going to go with colors. My primary color is going to be white, my secondary is going to be black. Then I'm going to go into shades of red, dark grayish reds, like so. And once I've done that, I am going to click on save, and we've made these changes like so. And I'm gonna make this a bit lighter, a contrasting color, like so. So after that, we also have user default, currency, all of that we can set, but we're gonna go back into our landing page and we're gonna have to select it again, select our theme again, because we had to add our brand kit first. And we're gonna click on set as active theme. And now once we do that, we will see different versions of this theme. So because we are building only one landing page, which means that there are no subpages, it's going to display all of the pages present within this particular theme. There's this about page and the home page, and I'm going to be modeling from both of them, but I think I want to primarily use the home page. So I'm going to click on select template to start building my landing page. From here, we are on the page editor and we're going to start our editing. And you can just skip this or just close it like so and begin your editing. Now on the top left, we have the global content editor that we can use to edit things like footers and headers. And this allows you to change things such as, let's say, if there is a logo somewhere. So it's automatically going to add your logo instead. I'm going to click on replace and upload my own. And then once we've done that, we are going to close it up like this. Then after that, we have our call to action button. We have our button and the button text. So I'm going to add my own company's number, 78601. And then after that, we're just going to click on apply changes. After that, if I want to include, let's say, our own call to action, which is another button, I don't want to add that, so I'm going to remove it completely like so. Now, once I've done that, I can drop other modules as well. But once I've done that, I am just going to go back into the saved editor, to the page editor. We can start adding our own content into our landing page. Now, the speciality of a landing page, which makes it different from a website, is that it has one purpose. Usually for landing pages, they have one call to action. So for me, I want to build a call to action for the best digital agency for your social media growth. So let's say that I am focusing on getting more clients. I want to get more leads. I want to be able to have more growth in my business. So I would have multiple call to actions, and you can go on ahead, click on every section to edit it. If you want to remove any section, you can also click on that particular section. You can go into the contents on the left and you will see individual sections. So if I want, I can just delete it completely. Let's say we have this section. If I don't like it, I can just delete it completely. Once you've completed everything, you can just click on save, and then you can click on publish on the top right to publish your landing page with HubSpot. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with HubSpot. Best part about HubSpot is that they have a free version that you can use. Additionally, if you take a look at their free tools, you have free marketing, free sales tools. Although these are limited, they still are providing you with a lot of value. But if you're looking to upgrade, you definitely should upgrade to their starter customer platform for only $15 per seat per month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.